Bit of a rebound in the market today as yesterday's market was washed out. Today, market's climbing back after the Fed indicated the possibility that we may see a rate hike later in the year. S&P up near 1% today, NASDAQ leader up about 1.5%, the Dow's about 0.25%. Crude continues to fall as we're seeing West Texas now under $75 a barrel, but short-term rates really climbed yesterday and the 2-10 spread fell to its lowest since last March. The dollar also rose to its highest level in over a year, hitting a high yesterday of 100.725. Earlier this morning, weekly jobless claims up to 226,000, bit higher than expected. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index climbed to 10.3 for the month. That was actually up from a negative print in May. Equity data, yesterday's volume still continued to be very robust, topping 11 million contracts. A little bit lighter today ahead of the holiday weekend with the markets closed tomorrow. But overall ES put volume, it is still up near 70%, but once again, near-term Russell option flow, very, very bullish. Ahead of next week's PCE report on Thursday expiration 7550 puts very active today, as well as Thursday expiration 7600 calls. ES implied volatility, it is definitely down a bit from yesterday, now sitting just under 13% for the end of next week. And in the crypto space, not liking the potential Fed hawkish stance at all. Bitcoin down another $1,600 today, almost near down at 62,000, and over 50,000 micro Bitcoin contracts trading at CME today.